Hagule na aiboishono egula na re ike lu Imukere tunga ka ai kama ngulu eba meto rapopole nweche makitos kese aswamu kwape lu Imukete tunga ngesi kopana ejai alusta kwenye ko districta kalo kata kuika anatarte sokere.
Ask you who gave you permission to work without registration.
Lengare nikite timu lo itonga luelo mutos kodongete la ngale atelo na irereka awadika ngunulu etubitos ka angetakin ikosi ngunulu Imukere itonga pitanya mutale ngese abala ebe isomaite kesino Kanu ale ngunulu mamu Itutuoritai Amukean itonga narai imnase ayanga chokishono itegelikina neja sadekak.
We have found out that there are people who did not study medicine or nursing, but they are offering that service. So those are the ones that we have arrested with the assistance of police. And so far we have arrested 10 people who didn't go to any nursing or any health training institution, but they are offering health services. And on top of that, even their clinics don't have licenses, because we can't license a clinic when the owner is not qualified.
Epote kwa nalu adawan ai kamon aiterikini ka ekisil takitinya mutale.
So these 10 people whom we have arrested, we have handed them over to police. They are going to make files for them. Files will go to state attorney. Then after that, they will be produced in court, and the magistrate will decide on them.
And if they plead guilty, the imprisonment is 3 years. Otherwise, they are given a fine of 3 million shillings. Or if the magistrate is that bit enough, takes them for both 3 years and 3 million shillings.
Michael Mubiru Kaizi, lo epolo kite jana kine kulungate lo angale arebola quality assurance officer. Ngisi abala ebe ejasi kesi alema chutu munulu mame tupitosinu tupitono kotoma aswa mukechena Amukean tunga.
We have come to curb down on the illegal practice in the private health facilities. We have done this twice, this supervision. Then we realized during the course, many facilities have failed to comply. So we have come on a crackdown activity on illegal practitioners in the health practice.
Ikota kilo nenda Wills Apollo Opoya lo irere jana kinelo koteso kakara moja nisabala ebe mam itunga eyuwara kotoma ejana kine kwa natkalo.
The people are not safe. I've realized this over time. I've done several inspections, particularly in Katakwi district, and we realize there are a lot of people practicing who have not gone to medical school, who are not licensed, school dropouts, and the community trusts them so much, and yet what they are doing is not true, not correct.
Take your clinics.
Eja skunda opoti charaksi tunga atupitenu tupitono ne ekototo kesa pukora iboishonguni Imukere tunga.
One thing, they have to go to the district to get to meet with the officer in charge of the facility they want to open. They get the papers after they have been registered by the councils. Then the councils, they will use their registration certificates plus their licenses. They go to the districts. Then the district will come and inspect their place and advise them accordingly.
The purpose of this exercise is to protect the public from harmful practices by these people who were not trained as health workers.
Kanuka TV East, Francis Ochen, Kodisuta Kalo Katakwe.